Okay, going to do a quick review on Clorox Ultra Clean Sanitation Wipe, Disinfecting Wipes. I got these from PinchMe.com earlier this week. This is lemon scented. If you've never heard of PinchMe, they send you free samples in the mail for you to try out, and all they ask is for you to do a review on the products. You don't have to do what I'm doing here. You don't have to do a video review. They got forms you fill out after you get the samples in the mail to do your review with. If you're interested in getting any free samples, just go to pinchme.com and you fill out a profile. And about once a month you might get a chance to get some free ones, or you answer surveys and stuff. You can earn some free ones that way also. Alright, I've already tore the package open to make it easier, save time on here. This is what they look like, what it looks like. Little blue cloth. There you go. Yeah, probably about 6 inches long. It's got a pretty strong little lemon smell to it. Definitely smell the lemon. I'm gonna use it here on the counter. This is the kitchen counter. It does a pretty good little job cleaning it up a little bit. It wasn't really that dirty when it started. Gets it smelling good. Gets it sanitized pretty good. Like I said, it's got a pretty little strong lemon scent to it, but I mean, it's not obnoxious or anything to bother you. It's got pretty strong scent to it. It's pretty good on the counter. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, that's a pretty nice little product. I used it to wipe the counter off here with, sanitize it. Gave it a nice little scent. Gave the room a nice little kitchen room. Gave the kitchen a nice little scent too. Sanitized the counter and gave the room a nice little scent, lemon scent. Yeah, it's a pretty good little product. Probably something I probably will buy when I'm in the store and buying cleaning products. You should be able to find this, and it'd be worth buying. To help sanitize your kitchen, bathroom, whatever you want to clean. You should be able to find it in your local department store, grocery store, where they've got cleaning products. Whatever, they have the cleaning household cleaning products. This is the Clorox Ultra Clean Disinfecting Wipes. Like I said, I got it from PinchMe. And you can go to pinchme.com, get free samples now.